All right, we are Team Mini Monster Truck. We're Nate, Adrian, and Corey, and our project is basically a little monster truck that can collect a whole bunch of data. It has autonomy in it where it can do a lot of detection, and we can send coordinates to it to drive to. And yeah. And so, yeah, our goals were to check the quality of the air. It can also check soil sample or the soil quality for soil moisture. And then it can also check and detect obstacles and different types of objects like humans or animals and stuff like that.
So our hardware design consists of all these sensors that we used. And then our main microcontroller would be the Arduino Mega, and the Raspberry Pi would be used for both the obstacle avoidance, object detection, and also giving power and serial data to the Arduino Mega. We also have the motor driver controlling the motors, and then our power supply system powering both the systems. For our object detection, we have the Raspberry Pi mainly working with the OAK-D light camera using the Depth AI library.
And then for our software, we use a lot of AWS products, mainly AWS RDS for our database. We also use AWS S3 for hosting our front end. That's a React app. We also use Google Maps API for GPS coordinates, and also GitHub Actions for CI/CD. And then, yeah, that passes data along. And then for our software, we use the Arduino. We code in C++ on the microcontroller, Python on the Pi, and then JavaScript, TypeScript for the front end and back end. And yeah, I already said this, so next. Then we have our videos of it in working action. So this is the object detection.
So as you can see, it sees a person, and then should also notice a dog as well. It's difficult in this image only because the dog is lower to the ground.
And here's us actually driving the robot. So here, Corey's typing in commands, and the robot reacts accordingly. And hopefully this is the right video and not the one where it wasn't working. Okay, it was working.
Cool.
And I think that's pretty much it. Because I actually was talking in this, but they can't hear it. But yeah. And then I think that video also showed them collecting data, but here's a better close-up of our interface. And then here you can like go switch into map mode and send coordinates for the rover to drive to. So here's us just kind of just demonstrating what that would look like. And then, yeah, from San Jose. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.